It's the slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. So these are parallel, and these are perpendicular. There's a little 90 there. So if the slopes are parallel, let's just say that this one is 1/2. Then the slope of the line that's parallel to it would also have to be 1/2 because its steepness is exactly the same. So we're talking rise over run in that ratio. So if they both have the same rise over run ratio, they're parallel. Now perpendicular, let's take that same slope of 1/2 for that line, which is parallel almost. For a perpendicular, what you do is you take its negative and flip it. These are negative reciprocals. So whenever you see perpendicular, you think negative reciprocal. Whenever you think parallel, you think same slope. So negative recip, same slope. Okay, let's try some. If your line is parallel to a line with a slope of 3, so parallel, you think same slope. Then what is the slope of your line? Well, if the other line is 3, so is ours. Perpendicular. So if your line is perpendicular to a line with a slope of 3, then what is the slope of your line? Well, that would have to be negative 1/3. Okay, try one. Perpendicular? Exactly. We have to flip it and change the sign. So if we change the sign and flip it, we get 2 over 1, which is 2. And that's it. So if you see the word perpendicular, your main thought should be flip and change the sign. Negative reciprocal. If you see the word parallel, your first thought should be exactly the same slope. Let's try this one. Find the slope of the line parallel to this. So parallel, we think same. So we have to find its slope by solving. So we add the 3x over. And that gives us a slope of 3. And since we want the same slope, that is our slope. Okay. Now if you see perpendicular, we think negative recip. Solve it again. So our slope is 3. So since we want perpendicular, we have to flip it and change the sign. And that's it. That's parallel and perpendicular. So if you see parallel, you're trying to find exactly the same slope. Perpendicular, negative reciprocal. So try this one. Hit pause, give it a shot. Well, you need a hand. Here you go. If you take any 2 points on the line, you can find the slope just by finding out what the rise over the run is. We already know our slope has to be negative, and it's down 1 over 3. So it's minus 1, it's minus 1/3. So now give me the parallel and the perpendicular. And that's what you should have.